Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Jill Bender with Passive Streams to Financial Freedom. And today I'm going to take a few minutes just to cover a problem that you may experience between Clickfunnels and GetResponse. This is a problem that I've been having for over a month, and more recently, it was becoming so frequent that my business wasn't even functioning properly. And I was losing a lot of leads ultimately, which in the long run will make me lose a lot of money. So let's get started. The issue that I am discussing today, let me just show you a picture, is, okay, here's ClickFunnels, right? Here's your account. You'll come in here, and if this little bell icon has a 1 next to it, and you click on it to see what it is. Right now, unfortunately, I had cleared that. So here's your little bell icon. The bell icon, it says there was a problem with your GetResponse integration. We tried to use your GetResponse integration, but we ran into a problem. Please check the integration for more details. You click on go to your integrations, and it looks like it lost a connection. This is a screenshot from the notification that I had. Says your integration may be experiencing an issue and may not be working. You can refresh it, try to reconnect the integration. It says I have an invalid campaign that I need to verify this GetResponse connection or account still exists. I know it exists. I contacted ClickFunnels. I still have an open account with them. They have never gotten back to me. It's been 2 weeks now. They obviously know I have a lot of money riding on this. I mean, just to have a ClickFunnels account is $100 a month. So for it to not be working is a huge problem. So 2 weeks now, they have not gotten back to me. GetResponse, their online chat is amazing. Their customer service is like, nothing is comparable to that. Okay, so anyway, we've got this alert. GetResponse doesn't know how to fix it. I did Google many times. There are no YouTube videos on this. I couldn't find anything that helped me when I Google searched it. The only thing that came close was it said that your ClickFunnels was only using an API of V2, I believe is what it was called, whereas GetResponse had already upgraded to a V3. And so they weren't connecting properly. I was told to talk to GetResponse, ask them to lower my account, I guess, to be in the V2, go back down to V2 instead of the V3 for the API. I did that, but they said that information is old, and both ClickFunnels and GetResponse are now upgraded to V3, so that wasn't even a thing. So if you Google it, that's really all you're going to find on Google. So what did I do, right? So we go into GetResponse, we go down here, integrations and API. We're going to click on that. It's going to bring us here. Your API can be found here. You have an API connected to ClickFunnels. You would copy the API, you would go into ClickFunnels, and in your funnel, you would connect it to API. I'm not going to go through what that looks like. Everybody knows how to do that if you're using these programs already. All right, so in your integrations, you can do the drop down and you can select GetResponse, and then you pick, which GetResponse account you're connecting to. That is what kept dropping off for me. Okay, so what you have to do is create a form code instead. So this right here is an HTML form. Now, how do we do that? Instead of using API again, we are going to go into Tools, and you're going to go down to Forms, and we're going to create a form. We're going to use plain HTML. Okay, so this code is already going to be in there. Do not touch it. Do not modify it. Now be careful over here, because when I got my training on it, it didn't talk about if you have multiple accounts, and I have 4 of them. So the first time I did it, I didn't know to touch that list, and I left it on my old list. And so once I had everything upgraded, I started receiving emails that were not pertaining to the particular funnel that I was in. So you want to do this separately for each funnel to connect you to the correct email list. So this is my email list. Now you want to click on custom thank you URL and then name field It's already got the email field down here. Okay, so then you're going to go into your funnel, and I'm going to go to my thank you page. Make sure you click the link and then copy and paste your URL. So we're going to copy that, go back to GetResponse, and now in the custom thank you page URL, you're going to paste that. And now we can see over here in the preview. Oh, wait, sorry. We're going to paste that, and then I hit tab. And if you had I pointed it out, but right here, that URL populated. But you got to make sure you hit tab or hit enter after you paste your URL into this field over here. So I pasted it in here, hit enter or hit tab, and then this will populate into your code, your HTML code. Again, don't edit that screen. I don't even know if they let you, but don't do it. So over here on your preview, you'll see that your pop-up's gonna ask for a name and an email. That's what we want. They're gonna hit subscribe. It's gonna take them to the thank you page. So your funnel will function correctly. All right, that is all you have to do on here, except for now we're gonna hit copy code. And I've already done this, so I can't exactly do it in here, but I can show you what I'm doing. We're gonna go back into edit page. You're going to go into integrations, and now I could hit remove and show you, but I'm not going to mess with it. Okay, so we're going to do the drop down. You're going to click on HTML. Don't click on GetResponse. HTML form. And then down here, integrate existing form, and you're going to add your HTML. So once you hit integrate existing form, this window will open up and it'll be empty. You're going to paste that code, the code you received from here by hitting copy. You're going to paste it right in there. You're going to click on parse and amp, save web form, and then scroll down, and you're going to want to select, it's going to come up not synced. You're going to want to select name, so it captures a name. And then you're going to select email. That's it. Click on your screen to get out of there, and then hit save. So now all that information is going to be saved. And then what you're going to want to do, let's close that screen, is test it out. And that's it, guys. This will get rid of those errors that you're getting. This will get rid of that constant, alert that there was an integration problem. This will get rid of that occasional losing your integration between GetResponse and Clickfunnels. And then if this helps, or if you have any questions about it, I would love if you could leave me a comment. The more you comment, the more other people will know this video exists. So if they're having this trouble, then they can get it fixed as well. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and thanks for watching.